Now, between shots, Amber told me a secret to cutting red onions, or any onion really, without crying. And what's your secret?
And you guys chime in and let us know if we're correct about this. But supposedly, you're supposed to peel a half onion and slice it in half and place it on the top of your head.
So we're going to see if this works. I'm just going to stand back and let the magic happen. And see what happens here. Do you want to place one of these small pieces on your head, or a bigger?
This is a more sizable piece.
We'll
take this piece.
And it's got the little like squiggy like little thing cap on. So.
Right, so it's like it should work.
So you place that on your head.
To my team.
So where did you hear about this little secret?
It's in one of my most favorite movies. It's called like Water for Chocolate.
Water for Chocolate.
And the entire movie is about cooking and the passion that goes into food. And supposedly, if you place a cut onion on the top of your head, it'll stop your eyes from watering.
And are you sure somebody didn't like lose a bet?
Nobody lost a bet. We're going to watch the movie tonight before. That's a part of the team building. We're all going to watch the movie.
Well, while you're cutting that one up, we're going to see if you're going to cry. But I'm going to go ahead and get this one skinned and ready for you. Are you starting to feel the... Are you crying yet?
My eyes feel as dry as sand, actually. I think it's working.
I think it's working.
I think it's working.
I'm just scared if I set an onion up on my bald head, then it'll stain a spot on my head and it'll always smell like onion. So...
Yeah, I don't think Vicky would be too happy with that.
No. She'd be like sleeping next to me at night and ask me why my head smells like onion. I'll tell her it's Amber's fault.
Right.
So.
By golly, I think that this is working. I really do think this is, because this is a huge onion.
I think it is because my eyes are watering and I don't have any onion on my head.
And I have not a tear.
Not a tear? Well, you're also wearing glasses, so you're cheating.
Oh, that's true. I do have a protective barrier, so to speak.
Well, I'll go ahead and cut this next onion up. You can go ahead and take the onion off your head. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.